This is Fire Slugger. I wish I could give this update under better circumstances, but this is kind of this is kind of a last second thing. Let me just show you. So, if you can't tell, let me look real closely. Okay, you see this? This right here is a normal microphone jack. Okay, that's fine. Everything's fine. And that's my headphone jack. So you can see that's actually pretty messed up. If you can see it. You see, it's supposed to be plastic like that. Part of mine was missing, but I could still insert it fine until now. And now it's just being completely blocked. Like, I can't insert anything into the headphone jack anymore. So unless you know of like a USB connector that could go, or an HDMI wouldn't really do anything. But if you know like a USB headphone converter, that's like the only way I can use headphones in my laptop. And well, my house is kind of family friendly, so any video that has swearing or whatever, or has questionable content, I want headphones for. So yeah, this is the laptop I use to view videos and edit videos, and this is definitely a delay in my process. I had one recorded, but I guess I can get it edited onto my desktop, but this is definitely going to delay any process I had of videos. I just uploaded my recent video, My Little Jesus Gym Reacts Like Magic. It's a beautiful video. I'm lucky that I finished recording it in time because it depended so much on the audio, you don't even know. Oh man, yeah. Like that thing stopped. That thing moved around a little bit as soon as it ended. Oh man. You have no idea how frustrated I am right now. I did not want to have to make a video like this. I had so much planned. I wanted to do so much. I just hope that there's like some sort of external USB connector I can use, or if there's maybe a way I can turn the microphone jack into a headphone jack. I don't know. Definitely hit me up on the tech stuff because I'm not sure what to do. I don't know if my laptop's still on warranty, and I'm not sure if it's really worth sending to get fixed. I mean, it's such a little problem, but I don't know. So yeah, definitely hit me up if you can. Let me know what I can do about this situation, because I am kind of clueless right now. Alright, and if there's any delay for any of my videos, it's because of that. Alright, I gotta end this now, because it's late at night. People are trying to sleep. Okay. I'll see you guys whenever. Hopefully soon. I don't know.